Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing of my newest bag. It is not a luxury item because I cannot afford to be buying so many luxury items, right? And my husband would just kill me or disown me. But I bought something else because last month, it was my birthday month, and I thought that, well, a girl could never have that many bags, and I decided to get one more item for myself. So here's the box. Wait, let me try to cover. It's a bag from Fossil. So Fossil is one of my more everyday type of brand that I love, and it's a design which I've not seen around, so I thought, hey, it's really cute, and I thought, you know what, let's just go ahead, let's just get it. So anyway, yeah, so if you're interested in this unboxing, do stay tuned. So this item, when I ordered it, I think it came in about a week or so, so I thought it was pretty fast. And oh wow, it's my first time ordering a bag from Fossil. Usually I'll just go in store, buy, and then just take a look and then just get whatever I wanted. But this design, I saw it online and it was on sale, so I thought, you know what, let's just go with it. And oh wow, okay, so this is what the box looks like. Do not be deceived by the size of the box. The bag, according to what I saw online, is supposed to be small. So I see it. Okay, so it's nicely wrapped as such. There's no bubble wrapping. They use this kind of perforated paper. Oh my god! It's so cute! Okay, yeah, so wow! It is so small. Okay, so apparently this is the smallest size. So this is the Fossil Ryder mini satchel in Horizon Blue, and this, I think it came in 3 sizes, so I thought I wanted something crossbody and something that I could just carry it in my hand. And okay, so it comes in this, wow, it comes in this pretty rainbow-ish strap. Wait, let me just remove. See, so everything's falling apart. Okay, so wow, it's cute. I love the blue. The blue is, I think I've had one Fossil bag with this shade. I can't remember, but I don't think I brought it here with me to Canada. And okay, so it comes with a charm of sorts. And let me just try to remove all the things. This is the part which I hate, because in doing so, I may actually damage the bag. Okay, you know what? Let me just check out the bag itself. So it comes with all this extra padding and stuff, which is good. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this thing on the handles first. I don't know if I can just tear it. Let's see. Okay, I can tear it. So there you go. I suck at this. Okay, let's open it up first. It's cute. I think it's really adorable. Yeah. What do you think? What do you guys think? Do you think this is a good buy? Or, you know what, I'm just wasting my money on this, and then you're telling me, please carry your LV bags, don't carry this bag. But you know what, I do like Fossil bags. I do have one crossbody that I brought. I think it was in dark blue. I think it was the Rachel Satchel. Yeah, I do like it. That is my winter snowing bag, because I think the leather is very robust and it's not gonna, you know, get destroyed if I do wear it out in the snow. But this one, I thought this was just so adorable. Look at it. It's small. I don't think I can fit quite a lot of things inside. So it comes with a compartment in front here with a kind of buckle like that where you just slide in, and it has one more compartment behind. I think you can keep I don't know, your wallet, or no, maybe not wallet, maybe your phone. And inside it comes, oh, I like that it's very structured. So it comes like that, and it has one more, I don't know what's this, a slip pocket, sorry. And yeah, a zippered pocket over here. I can hear the siren, the fire engine. Oh, but it really is very pretty. I think it's nice that I can carry it this way. Don't you think it's... What do you guys think? I would probably use this as a crossbody bag. Although, as much as I do like the strap, I'm not sure if it can match my outfits. I'm not too sure if I'm able to, you know, match my outfits to this, and it may be a bit too thick. I don't know. I'll have to try this on. And because I bought it online, I wasn't able to take a look at it. I think I only watched a few YouTube videos on it just to see, gauge the size and see whether it would fit me. So far, I think it would. Even if, let's say, I don't use the straps, I think I'll be okay carrying it, you know, as such. But I do like it. I think the color is gorgeous. I'll probably do a what fits in the bag just to see what kind of things can fit. Oh, before I go, you know what? I'm going to do a comparison with my Speedy 25 just to show you what the size is, because I am quite surprised that it's very small. It is very adorable. It's so cute. Okay, so I am back with my Speedy 25. So I just wanted to show you guys the comparison between these two. So as you can definitely see, the Speedy 25, although it's the smallest of the Speedies, okay, not really the smallest, I think the 20 is the smallest, but this one is still one of the smaller ones, and this is still comparatively much smaller. So and onto the side, there's quite a lot of difference. Okay, this bag is super heavy because I have tons of things in it. If I were to try to transfer all the items I have inside right now, which is, oh my god, I have gloves, I have my wallet, I have my water bottle, I don't think I can do it there. But yeah, so I'll have to see which are the things that I can transfer and try to carry it out, and then I'll let you guys know. Thank you for watching the video, and if you do like it, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe. It would be nice if you guys do, you know, I always appreciate it. And until next time, bye. Okay.